Let's make some easy K12 pizzas that your students will love. Pizza is the most popular cafeteria food in schools among kids. There's no doubt about it. And with our fully cooked, scratch-style toppings, you can keep your pizza program both easy and exciting. Plus, you can draw down on these proteins in addition to your cheese, making pizza even more affordable. First up is a classic pepperoni pizza, and we have 3 types of pepperoni to choose from: a sliced turkey pepperoni, a diced turkey pepperoni, and a sliced halal pepperoni. You'll also need a whole grain crust, pizza sauce, and mozzarella. Start by laying your crust on a lined sheet tray. Using an 8-ounce spoodle, pour 1 cup of sauce and spread evenly, leaving a 1/2 inch of clean edge. Sprinkle 1 pound of cheese, followed by whichever pepperoni you choose. For sliced, aim for 32 pepperonis. For diced, 3.3 ounces is your sweet spot. Bake for 7 to 9 minutes or until the edges and cheese are golden brown. To add more flavor, you can top with a quick drizzle of hot honey made from honey, crushed red pepper flakes, and smashed garlic cloves. Or you can set out a sauce bar for your students that includes things like ranch and hot sauce. You could also use these pepperoni products in calzones or wraps. Next up is a spicy chicken Alfredo pizza. This is perfect for kids who want something unique, a little different, that's still so tasty. For this, I'll be using a spicy chicken sausage. You'll also need whole grain pizza crust, Alfredo sauce, and mozzarella. First, lay your crust on a lined sheet tray. Using an 8-ounce spoodle, pour 1 cup of sauce and spread evenly, leaving a 1/2 inch of clean edge. Then, sprinkle 1 pound of cheese and 4 ounces of sausage crumbles. Bake for 7 to 9 minutes or until the edges and cheese are golden brown. Consider garnishing with torn basil before service. This spicy chicken sausage can also go in things like pastas and salads. The last one I'll be making is a pizza topped with pickles and pulled pork. I like to call it the Big Dill. I'll be using flame-seared pulled pork shoulder, an ingredient that tastes like you spent hours cooking it from scratch, when really it comes to your kitchen ready to go. You'll also need whole grain pizza crust, barbecue sauce, mozzarella, and dill pickles. Start by laying your crust on a lined sheet tray. Using an 8-ounce spoodle, pour 1 cup of sauce and spread evenly, leaving a 1/2 inch of clean edge. Add 1 pound of cheese, 4 ounces of pulled pork, and about 24 pickle slices. Bake for 7 to 9 minutes or until the edges and cheese are golden brown. Consider garnishing with fresh or dried dill or a drizzle of ranch. This is a great way to reformat something like a pulled pork sandwich. You could also use this pork shoulder in everything from pozole to composed salads. It's super easy to have a successful, customized pizza program in your school, and you can do it in 3 ways. The easiest is to simply add toppings to a cheese pizza. For a little more customization, you can use a pre-made crust and add different sauces, cheeses, and toppings. Or you could go full scratch made and start with your own dough. It's more labor intensive, but our speed scratch proteins make it easier for you. We also have so many other turkey, chicken, and pork products in different formats, like slice and diced pepperoni, crumbles, diced turkey, and taco meat, many of which are commodity eligible. Hope this gives you some inspiration for your menu. Reach out when you're ready to bring speed scratch proteins like these into your cafeteria. Happy serving!